हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आइए पीजी वुड हाउस द्वारा लिखी स्टोरी कीपिंग इट फ्रॉम हेरल्ड, आइए इसकी ग्लोसरी को करते हैं। प्रोडिजी, प्रतिभाशाली, ए यंग पर्सन विद एक्सेप्शनल क्वालिटीज और एबिलिटीज, कोई भी यंग पर्सन जिसके अंदर बहुत ज्यादा क्वालिटीज हों। इट वॉज ए कॉन्स्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ अमेजमेंट टू मिसिज ब्रैम्बल दैट शी शुड हैव ब्रॉट सच ए प्रोडिजी एज हैरल्ड इनटू द वर्ल्ड। हैरल्ड जो है वो एक प्रोडिजी चाइल्ड था, मीन्स काफी इंटेलिजेंट था। ये 10 साल का लड़का है इस कहानी के अंदर जो प्रोटैगोनिस्ट भी है। बॉक्सर, मुक्केबाज, ए पर्सन हु टेक्स पार्ट इन द स्पोर्ट ऑफ बॉक्सिंग। ही वॉज ए प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर दैट वॉज द ट्रबल। जो इसमें मिस्टर बिल ब्रैम्बल है, जो हैरल्ड का फादर है, वो एक प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर था। फसाड, आड़, an outward appearance that is maintained to conceal a less pleasant reality। कई बार less pleasant reality को छिपाने के लिए किस चीज की आड़ लेनी पड़ती है। They have gone to great lengths to construct a facade around Mr. Bramble's true profession। Mr. Bramble जो है वो एक बॉक्सर था, तो उसने इस बॉक्सर वाले प्रोफेशन को अपने बेटे से छिपा कर रखा। Confrontation, आमना सामना, a hostile or argumentative meeting or situation between opposing parties। This decision sets off a chain of events culminating in a dramatic confrontation in the Brambles living room। क्योंकि ब्रैम्बल्स जो है परिवार जो है अपने बेटे से अपना ट्रू प्रोफेशन छिपा के रखता है, तो इस कारण से इसमें काफी कन्फ्रंटेशंस भी होती हैं। कमर्शियल ट्रैवलर, वाणिज्यिक यात्री, ए पर्सन हु ट्रैवल्स टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस टू सोलिसिट ऑर्डर्स फॉर ए कंपनी। ऐसा व्यक्ति जो कंपनी के ऑर्डर्स लेने के लिए दूसरे प्लेसेस पर जाता हो। दिस डिसेप्शन हैज बिकम ए सिग्निफिकेंट बर्डन ऑन द फैमिली, टेलिंग हैरल्ड दैट हिज फादर इज ए कमर्शियल ट्रैवलर। वो अपने बेटे हैरल्ड को बताते हैं कि उसके जो फादर है वो कमर्शियल ट्रैवलर है, ना कि उसे सच बता के कि वो एक प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर है। प्रिटेंस, दिखावा, एन अटेम्प्ट टू मेक समथिंग दैट इज नॉट द केस अपीयर ट्रू, किसी चीज का दिखावा करना। दे हैड कम टू रिगार्ड हिम एज बीइंग ऑफ ए सुपीरियर ऑर्डर, और प्रिटेंस डिफिकल्ट टू मेंटेन, इस तरीके से वो दिखावा करते हैं जो अपने आप में डिफिकल्ट होता है मेंटेन करना। सोब्राइटी, संयम, द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग सोबर, नॉट इंटॉक्सिकेटेड, सीरियसनेस। ही हैड ए स्प्लेंडेड record for respectability and sobriety and all the other qualities which headmasters demanded in those who taught their young gentlemen to box। Ingenious, chatur, clever, original and inventive, Harold's powerful brain was plainly busy showing his ingenious nature even at a young age। Distasteful, aruchikar, causing dislike or disgust, offensive, unpleasant। The only drawback was that his very perfection had made necessary a series of evasions and even deliberate falsehoods which were highly distasteful to both parents। Embodiment, अवतार, और टेंजिबल और विजिबल फॉर्म ऑफ एन आइडिया, क्वालिटी और फीलिंग, किसी आइडिया फीलिंग क्वालिटी का एक विजिबल फॉर्म में होना। हैरल्ड एज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ इंटेलेक्चुअल अचीवमेंट स्टूड डिस्टिंक्ट फ्रॉम अदर चिल्ड्रन। हैरल्ड जो है बाकी के बच्चों से अलग था क्योंकि वो इंटेलेक्चुअली काफी हाई था। टेम्परामेंट, स्वभाव, अ पर्सन्स और एनिमल्स नेचर स्पेशली एज इट परमानेंटली अफेक्ट्स देयर बिहेवियर। A slight frown marred the smoothness of Harold Bramble's brow, revealing his serious temperament। Resilient, lachila, able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions, Percy the resilient cried out the victory and the change in Mr. Bramble's decision। Disdain, tirskar, the feeling that someone or something is unworthy of one's consideration or respect। Harold, with his mature demeanor, often showed disdain for being treated childishly by his mother। Tranquil, shant, free from disturbance, calm, Mrs. Bramble resumed her work on the sock in a tranquil state, finally at ease about the future। Vicarious, prox, experienced in the imagination through the feelings or actions of another person। Mr. Bramble's vicarious pleasure in his boxing prowess changed to concern over Harold's perception। Culmination, parinati, the highest or climactic point of something, especially as attained after a long time। This decision sets off a chain of events culminating in a dramatic confrontation in the Brambles' living room. Indignation, narazgi, anger or annoyance provoked by what is perceived as unfair treatment. Harold expressed indignation not about his father's profession but about the potential loss of his bet. Candid, spashtwadi, truthful and straightforward, frank. Mrs. Bramble demanded a candid explanation from Mr. Bramble about why he was home early. Subterfuge, chal, deceit used in order to achieve one's goal. The subterfuge surrounding Mr. Bramble's profession becomes a central theme in the story. Impetuous, avegsheel, acting or done quickly and without thought or care. Harold's impetuous nature is revealed when he reacts swiftly and emotionally to the news about his father. Poignant, marmic, evoking a keen sense of sadness or regret. The poignant moments in the story highlight the emotional struggles of the Bramble family. Amiable, milansar, having or displaying a friendly and pleasant manner. Mrs. Bramble looked up, beaming with a kind of amiable fat-headedness. Conundrum, peheli, a confusing and difficult problem or question. The fact concerning Mr. Bramble's profession must be kept from Harold was a conundrum troubling the family. Vivacious, jivant, especially of a woman, attractively lively and animated. Harold, at the age of 10, displayed a vivacious intellect that was more akin to that of young dons than children his age. Furtive, gupt, attempting to avoid notice or attention, typically because of guilt or a belief that discovery would lead to trouble. Secretive, and then Harold had come into his life and changed him into a furtive practitioner of shady deeds. Contemplative, chintanshil, expressing or involving prolonged thought. Harold's contemplative nature often had him lost in thoughts even amidst family conversations. Pacify, shant karna, quell the anger, agitation or excitement of. Mrs. Bramble tried to pacify Harold with soothing words when he learned about his father's. Revelation, khulasa, the making known of something that was previously secret or unknown. The revelation of Mr. Bramble's true profession to Harold was a turning point in the story. Decorum, shistachar, behavior in keeping with good taste and propriety. Despite the shocking news, Harold maintained decorum, handling the situation with unexpected maturity. Primrose path, sukhad marg, a path of ease or pleasure that lead to eventual disaster. Mr. Bramble had once followed the primrose path of fleeting fame, which now threatened his family's stability. Philanthropist, Paropkari, a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others, especially by the generous donation of money to good causes. Mr. Bramble, in his better moments, acted like a philanthropist, always ready to help those in need within his community. Misgivings, ashankaएं, a feeling of doubt or apprehension about the outcome or consequences of something. Mr. Bramble had his misgivings about quitting boxing, worried it might not solve their problems after all. Meticulous, सावधानीपूर्वक, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Harold was meticulous in his studies, always ensuring every detail was perfect in his homework. Astute, chalak, having or showing an ability to accurately assess situations or people and turn this to one's advantage. Harold was astute, quickly grasping concepts that even adults found challenging. Vouchsafe, anugrah karna, give or grant something to someone in a gracious or condescending manner. Percy vouchsafed his approval of Mr. Bramble's decision, giving it reluctantly and with much thought. Amenable, आज्ञाकारी, willing to follow advice or authority. Submissive, Mr. Bramble always amenable agreed to his wife's suggestions without protest. Benevolence, उदारता, the quality of being well-meaning, kindness. Despite his rough exterior, Mr. Bramble's benevolence was evident in his gentle dealings with Harold. Conscientious, कर्तव्यनिष्ठ, wishing to do what is right, especially to do one's work well and thoroughly. Harold was conscientious in his studies, often spending more time on his homework than his peers. Discretion, vivek, the quality of behaving or speaking in such a way as to avoid causing offense or revealing confidential information. Mrs. Bramble showed great discretion in keeping the secret of her husband's profession from Harold. Euphemism, व्यंजना मीन्स किसी चीज को अच्छे ढंग से कहना, a mild or indirect word or expression substituted for one considered to be too harsh or blunt. Using commercial traveler as a euphemism, the Brambles shielded the true nature of Mr. Bramble's job from Harold. Fortitude, धैर्य, courage in pain or adversity, किसी मुसीबत में साहस होना. Mr. Bramble showed remarkable fortitude in keeping his boxing life separate from his family life. Integrity, सत्यनिष्ठा, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. Despite the challenges, Mr. Bramble maintained his integrity by planning to retire from boxing honorably. Pragmatic, व्यवहारिक, dealing with things sensibly and realistically in a way that is based on practical rather than theoretical considerations. Harold's pragmatic approach to his studies and life decisions was admired by his teachers. Retrospective, पूर्व दृष्टि से, looking back on or dealing with past events or situations. In a retrospective moment, Mrs. Bramble considered all the years they had managed to keep their secret. Serendipity, आकस्मिक लाभ, the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. It was pure serendipity that Harold never overheard any conversations revealing his father's true career. Thank you.